All right, today we're going to talk about lesson 27-1, factoring x squared plus bx plus c. It says, recall that factor still buildings can create many floor plans with different size spaces. Custom Showrooms has asked factor still buildings for a floor plan with 1 great room, 5 large offices, and 6 cubicles. Each great room has a length and width equal to x. Each large office has a width of x units and a length of 1, and each cubicle has a length and width of 1 unit. Factor Still Buildings proposes the rectangular floor plan shown below. Number 1. Represent the area of the entire office as a sum of the areas of all the rooms. What is the area of this room? Well, the area of that room is x squared. What is the area of this room? X. What's the area of this room? X. What's the area of this room? X. What's the area of this room? X. The area of this room is X. And each one of these small squares is all 1. Well, so we're going to represent it by adding each sets of areas together. Well, I have 1x squared, so x squared. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 x's. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. Write the area of the entire office as a product of 2 binomials by multiplying the length of the entire office by the width of the office. Well, if we look back at our picture, we have x plus 3, and here we have x plus 2. So length x plus 3, width x plus 2. Both of those are binomials because they are 2 terms. So we would do the product of x plus 3 times the product of x plus 2. Number 3, make use of structure. Multiply the binomials in item 2 to check that their product is the expression you wrote in item 1. Justify your steps and name any properties you use to multiply the binomials. All right, so we've got x plus 3 and x plus 2. Well, that's going to equal x times x plus x times 2 plus x times, I should have wrote that the other way. Let me grab my whiteout real quick. Okay. I want to write this as 3 times x and then 3 times 2. This gives me x squared plus 2x plus 3x plus 6. So here I use the distributive property. Here we just multiplied. And now I have x squared plus 5x plus 6. And here, this was just simplifying. This indeed does equal the answer we wrote down for number 1. Go ahead and take a moment to copy down the answers for questions 1 to 3. We'll be moving on to questions 4 through 6, but before we get there, I want you to do the debriefing question on the page to follow.